Well, who was so stupid and stubborn that she lashed out against her friend's cooking, which she actually thinks is pretty great.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, too.
Oh my God! This is absolutely amazing. You've never made this before.
Oh, no. I don't know anything about cooking. I had to ask someone what it was called when the water makes those little bubbles.
Hats off to the chef.
This is so nice. Thank you for doing this.
Oh, please. Cooking soothes me. So dig in.
Right.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word cooking. It means the act of a person or thing that cooks. Also means the art or practice of preparing food, cookery. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce cooking, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the first syllable, corresponding to cookery. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how cooking is used in real life.
Hey, Monica. Can I ask you a cooking question?
Remember that guy from cooking school I told you about that put cilantro in?
Stubborn that she lashed out against her friend's cooking, which she...
So when people compliment me on my cooking tonight, what do I say?
You say, please. Cooking soothes me.
Welcome to Introduction to Cooking. Now, before we start...
How many times have I told you guys to never watch the cooking channel?
What have you heard me sing?
All the time when you're cooking.
Sure.
If you're cooking on the stove, does that...
And then you realized if you bitched about it, then you would stop cooking and you...
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.